Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion Forms integration with Softr step by step clearly. First, open your browser and navigate to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the workspace you want to use for your form. Next, head to the Softr website and log in or create an account if you haven't done so. After logging in, click on the Create New App button. Choose the template that aligns with the type of form you want to build. Once the template loads, you will see various customization options on your screen. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Data section. Here, select the option to connect your Notion account. You will be prompted to sign in to Notion again for authentication. Allow Softr the necessary permissions to access your Notion data. After granting permissions, return to the Softr dashboard. Locate the Database section and click on Add New Database. Select the Notion database you want to integrate with your form. Now, go to the Form component in the left sidebar of Softr. Drag and drop the Form component onto your app canvas. With the form selected, navigate to the right sidebar to customize its settings. Under the form settings, link the input fields to the corresponding fields in your Notion database. Ensure you toggle on the option to display your form in public mode if desired. After setting up the fields, test the form by clicking on the Preview button. Fill in the form and check if the data is correctly being sent to your Notion database. Once you are satisfied with the setup, click on the Publish button in Softr. Finally, share the link to your Softr app with others so they can access the form. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.